Today I'm going to show you some super cute and super simple ways to wear your bob length hair for an event. Let's go. The first look I want to show you is just ridiculously simple but very in style at the moment, and it's just a sleek middle part pulled back into a low ponytail, or if you have enough hair, into a low bun. You can totally jazz this up by adding some adorable accessories clustered on one side. I love this look because it is super trendy, sophisticated, and ultra sexy. You're not trying too hard. It's a really easy way to just look so fashionable in like 5 seconds. Look number 2 is very similar to look number 1, but there are a few key things that are quite different. So the first thing is I am leaving lots of soft pieces around my face. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your hair, you're gonna pull it into a ponytail, and you're gonna start like a topsy tail. Except you're not gonna pull that ponytail all the way through. You're just gonna tuck it in to the hair at the back. This is going to give a little bun effect, a little curled up effect, which is super cute and totally possible with short hair. Now, as you can see, I have some little nape hairs at the back that are falling out because they are very short, but I didn't even bother trying to spray them in or trying to clip them in. I just love the way they look because they add an element of softness. It kind of looks like you're not trying too hard. It's a little boho. It's very, very sexy. So if you have little hairs falling out, you can try to fight them with spray or maybe even with a pin, but don't go crazy about it because having that softness around the nape is actually very, very soft and very in style at the moment. For look number 3, if you're good at braiding, another really cute thing you can do is, again, using a middle part, you can double Dutch braid on each side of the head. So you can do this with your bangs left in or out. I'm gonna leave some face framing sections out on mine. If you don't know how to Dutch braid or the difference between a Dutch braid or a French braid, when this video is over, check out this video next because it very clearly explains the technique for creating a Dutch braid. I'll leave a link to it in the comments section below. Basically, all that you're doing is you're doing a 3-stranded braid, you're integrating hair into the side sections, and you are bringing it under the middle. So you keep integrating and moving the side sections under the middle section, under the middle section, under the middle section, until you go all the way down. Then I like to secure it with an elastic, put it in a little ponytail, and away I go. This again is a really trendy and fun look for the holidays. Now let's move on to some wavy looks. If you don't know how to wave your bob length hair, I made a video on that too. So be sure to check out that tutorial so you know how to prep your hair if you like these looks. For look number 4, what you're gonna do in this look is pull a little bit of your hair back in a tiny stretchy elastic. I get these at the dollar store. Just be careful because they have a tendency to rip your hair out. So when you take them out, be a little bit cautious. But all you wanna do here is take the crown section and pinch out some volume and then cover the elastic with a red bow. This is literally wrapping bow that I got from a wrapping paper store. This is so easy, but it looks really festive, so feminine and adorable. I just wore my hair like this to a Christmas event yesterday. Another way to do a cute half up look is to start with that first look by putting that crown area in a tiny little elastic, and then we're gonna actually grab hair from the sides and we're gonna do a rope braid. So we're gonna grab a piece of hair, we're dividing it into 2 pieces, and we are just turning them on top of each other. Every time we are at the bottom section, we're going to incorporate some hair to that section and turn it up. This is called a one-sided rope braid. Now, when you get to the back, you're just going to cross it over the elastic and secure it with a bobby pin. It looks really, really good if you pinch out volume after you do this. Now you can use some really cute clips to accessorize the top of this and hide anything that you don't want shown, like the elastic, for example, or if you have some flyaways or it's a little bit messed up, you can add some accessories. You can really kind of take away the attention from that and into the accessory. Now we're gonna switch it up and move over to a side part. A side part is great because it gives loads of volume at the front. So if you have a rounder face that you want to elongate, doing something with a side part is awesome because it really adds length up to your face. For this look, I'm simply going to tuck the hair back on one side behind my ear so we have smoothness on one side and loads of volume on the other. And then I'm gonna do a festive pin cluster. This is so cute and really shows off off your makeup. This is an absolute staple look of mine. I wear this all the time to special events. This next look is really cool because it's a double braided look, so you get tons and tons of texture. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with a Dutch braid. I explain this look in really good detail in this video. So if you love this and you want to know more, check out that video next. After I finish the Dutch braid, I pull it out so that I make it look as wide and as fluffy as possible. I have really fine hair, so if I can make this braid look wide, you can make this braid look wide. Just pull it out after you have finished a really clean Dutch braid. Now what you want to do is just do a regular 3-stranded braid right behind it, and then you're going to tie them both together with a tiny stretchy elastic. You want to finish off this look with some accessories and you are ready to hit the town. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I was able to inspire you to try something new today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'll see you next week.